One interesting thing I've been working on lately is my compass cover. I have a Ritchie compass and it's quite old and the cover is pretty beat up, and you can see there's been repairs like duct tape and different things to do trying to preserve it. It's lost any chance of waterproofing, and this is falling apart. I went on the website trying to find a new one. All you can get now is this cloth cover that goes over top of your whole binnacle. And I really liked my old cover and I wanted to do something. So I just so happened to have some connections and I was able to bring this in to get 3D scanned. So that's what they did. They put this on a 3D scanner and they scanned the whole thing in dimensionally for me and created a 3D model from this. And today I was fortunate enough to receive my first print. So here it is. This is the exact same compass cover, scanned into a 3D image and then printed on a 3D printer, and it is dimensionally, like millimeter for millimeter, exactly the same. And I've already tried it out on the binnacle and it fits really nice and sits well, and it's gonna work out for me. So I'm going to be painting this with G-Flex epoxy, which is like a flexible epoxy, just to seal it, and then I'm going to prime it and paint it and I'll be finished, and this will live on the binnacle. So yeah, pretty nice. Going from this to this. Last time on Sailing Balachandra, we anchored out at Wreck Cove, had some guests, and celebrated Canada Day. Seal. What a big seal. I never ever get wildlife on camera. This is...
You get it?
I'll be done. I might have got a second on it. Cooking underway. Noelle is a master chef at sea. She's a sea chef. Good, babe. We're kayaking. It's awesome. It's so beautiful. It's early in the morning. Got Charlie. Hi, Noelle. What you doing?
Sea kayaking.
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah, kind of. We're just drifting at the moment. We were kayaking.
Yeah, well, we still are. I got a two-person. Charlie's on shore with Grandpa doing the shore thing.
It's a beautiful day out here in New Brunswick.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I'm looking forward to it. The water is so nice.
Yeah. Go pick up Charlie. What are you looking for? Sea glass? No? What about Noelle?
I found sea glass.
Show me. Oh, you did. You did.
Hey, I found sea glass, Noelle.
Awesome possum.
Look.
Good job, dude.
Look.
First catch of the day.
Wow.
Hey guys, we got a real treat for you next week. We take a sailing trip all the way down the south shore of Nova Scotia. We head up St. Margaret's Bay, we head up Mahone Bay, we go to some world famous spots. It's really great and we do some fantastic sailing. It's 11 days on the water, islands, moorings, anchoring, everything. We did everything. It was crazy.
Lots of salty showers.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. It was so fun. So stay tuned. Next week, South Shore, Nova Scotia. So that's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you want, leave a like or leave a comment below because we read them. Thanks guys. See you later.